Today we're breaking down old-school ways to protect your skin and your health from summer's worst pests. Hey there, welcome to Your Skin, Your Health. If you're tired of chemical-laden bug sprays, I've got good news. Nature provides powerful alternatives that keep mosquitoes away without compromising your health. Let's start with effective topical repellents you can make at home. First is my favorite, an apple cider vinegar spray. Mix 1 cup of water, 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 10 to 15 drops of essential oils like citronella, lavender, or clove in a spray bottle. This creates a natural repellent that actually works. You can spray it on clothing or exposed skin, avoiding your face and open wounds. The vinegar will create an environment mosquitoes hate, while the essential oils provide additional protection. This spray is generally safe for kids over 2 years old when diluted with equal parts water. For sensitive skin, reduce or eliminate the essential oils. You should always do a patch test first. Important note, while apple cider vinegar works great externally, I don't recommend giving it orally to young children. The acidity can damage tooth enamel and irritate sensitive stomachs. Another powerful option is lemon eucalyptus oil. This isn't just folklore. It's recognized by the CDC as an effective mosquito repellent. Dilute 10 drops in 2 tablespoons of carrier oil, something like coconut or jojoba oil. However, this is not recommended for children under 3 years of age. For a simple solution, try a vanilla extract rub. You mix 1 tablespoon vanilla extract with 1 tablespoon water, and then dab on wrists, ankles, or the back of your neck. It's safe for kids over 2 years old if diluted, but avoid the face and eyes. Again, you should test a small patch on the skin first, since it contains alcohol. Now let's explore oral remedies that repel mosquitoes from the inside out. These approaches change your body's scent profile, making you less attractive to those bloodthirsty pests. First is garlic. The same superfood that boosts your immune system can keep mosquitoes away. When consumed, your body excretes compounds through your skin that mosquitoes find repulsive. Eat 1 raw clove daily or take a supplement. This isn't recommended for daily use in children, and yes, it might affect your social life if overdone. Next is vitamin B1, otherwise known as thiamine. Taking about 100 milligrams daily during mosquito season can alter your scent in a way that repels mosquitoes while remaining undetectable to humans. It's like a secret force field. Only give this to kids if approved by their pediatrician. Another approach is my mosquito tonic. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in juice or water daily. Many patients report becoming less appealing to bugs after consistent use. Avoid giving this to children under 12 without a doctor's approval. If you're getting value from this information, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with someone planning a summer trip, and subscribe for more natural tips. Your support helps us continue providing content that puts your health first. Let's take our mosquito defense to the next level by protecting your outdoor spaces. These yard solutions can dramatically reduce mosquito populations around your home. Try this Listerine mosquito spray. Mix 1 part original Listerine with 1 part water and add a squirt of dish soap. The menthol and eucalyptol repel mosquitoes, while the soap helps the solution stick to surfaces. Spray around seating areas about 30 minutes before guests arrive. It's safe once dry, but don't spray directly on skin. Next is my favorite DIY trap, the soda bottle trap. Cut a 2-liter bottle in half. In the bottom half, mix 1 cup of warm water with a 1/4 cup of brown sugar and a teaspoon of yeast. Invert the top half like a funnel, place it into the bottom section where the mixture is, and secure the 2 halves together with tape. The fermentation creates carbon dioxide, attracting mosquitoes. They fly in, but can't find their way out. Place these traps 10 to 15 feet away from gathering areas. Another ancient method is burning dried rosemary or sage. If you're having a campfire, toss dried sprigs onto the flames. The aromatic smoke acts as a natural mosquito incense and smells wonderful. You can also place dried herbs on a fire-safe dish and light them, allowing them to smolder. These yard solutions create layers of protection without harsh chemicals that harm beneficial insects, pets, or the environment. A holistic approach combining several methods works better than relying on just one solution. If you're a camper or hiker, here are 3 packable solutions that offer protection without bulk or flame. When you're in nature, mosquitoes can be particularly aggressive, and you need lightweight, effective solutions. First, the camper's CO2 trap. Pre-pack sugar and yeast in separate small baggies. When you set up camp, mix these with water in any available container. This creates mosquito-attracting carbon dioxide in a packable form. Set up downwind from your campsite to draw mosquitoes away. Second, try an herbal pouch. Before your trip, gather dried lavender, mint, rosemary, and bay leaves and place them in a small cloth pouch. Add 2 to 3 drops of citronella oil for extra potency. Hang this in your tent or near the entrance. The natural oils create a barrier mosquitoes avoid, plus they give your tent a pleasant aroma. Third, make an essential oil cotton ball cup. Place cotton balls in a small container with a lid. Add a few drops of citronella or clove oil and seal the container. At your campsite, simply open it for passive bug repelling. You can close it when not needed, preserving the oil's potency. These camping solutions are valuable because in the wilderness you can't run inside to escape bugs. These natural defenses can make the difference between an enjoyable adventure and a miserable, bite-filled experience. Plus, they're environmentally friendly, so you're protecting nature while enjoying it. Before we wrap up, a quick disclaimer. These remedies are time-tested but not guaranteed. Everyone's body chemistry differs, and what works for one person might be less effective for another. Always patch test topicals and consult a doctor before using supplements or applying products around kids or pets. Remember that natural doesn't automatically mean risk-free. Essential oils are powerful plant compounds that should be used with respect. Dilute them properly, keep them away from eyes and mucous membranes, and discontinue use if you notice adverse reactions. That said, these natural approaches offer advantages over commercial chemical repellents. They're generally gentler on skin, better for the environment, and don't contain potentially harmful ingredients found in conventional products. Plus, most of these items you probably already have in your kitchen, making them cost-effective. Tired of bug bites and chemical sprays? These natural solutions just might be your best defense. Like, share, and subscribe for more health-first tips. I'd love to hear which remedies work best for you. Drop a comment below with your experiences. Remember, protecting your skin isn't just about comfort. It's about safeguarding your largest organ and overall health. Mosquito-borne illnesses are serious, but so are the potential effects of constant exposure to synthetic chemicals. By choosing natural alternatives, you're investing in both immediate comfort and long-term wellness. Stay strong, stay healthy, and stay tuned to your skin, your health,